If you're trying to log into CapCut and keep getting that annoying "couldn't sign in, try again later" message, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to sign in without any errors. So stay with me because the fix is simpler than you think. Let's jump right into it. First, verify your login details. You'd be surprised how many times this error shows up simply because of a wrong password or a tiny typo. Try signing in slowly and carefully. If you recently changed your password on another device, make sure you're using the updated one here. Next, confirm that your CapCut account actually exists. If you're using CapCut for the first time, the app might prompt you to set up an account. Just follow the instructions and enter accurate information. If you think you already have an account but it's still not logging in, try resetting your password. That often solves hidden account issues. Now, check your internet connection. CapCut will refuse to sign you in if your network is weak or unstable. Run a quick internet speed check to make sure your connection is solid. If it's slow, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, or restart your router. If the connection is fine, the issue might not be on your end, so check CapCut server status. When the servers are down or overloaded, nobody can sign in, no matter what you do. If you notice reports of outages, just wait it out. These issues usually resolve pretty quickly. If the servers are fine, let's fix the app itself. Go to your device settings, find CapCut, open the storage options, and clear the app cache. This wipes out temporary files that often cause login errors or corrupted sessions. And it doesn't delete your projects. Still not working? No worries. The last step usually fixes everything. Uninstall and reinstall CapCut. A fresh install resets all configurations, clears hidden bugs, and gives you the latest version of the app. Once you reinstall, try signing in again. Most users get in instantly after this step. And that's it. Follow these steps in order and the "couldn't sign in, try again later" problem should be gone for good. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have any other issues, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.